Hey, but you're going to need that going into today because of, how hot it is. So Max is on to something. Get the hats and try to limit some of that time outside because of the heat wave that we're in. It looks beautiful outside. Showing you this live look at Sundance. You've got the blue skies, the beautiful green up on the hilltop. But take a look at these temperatures already. We're nearing 90 degrees in Salt Lake City, 89. Feeling like 85, calm breeze from the northwest, 5 miles per hour. But for most of us in the valleys, you're in the upper 80s right now, nearing 90 in areas like Tooele, 93 in St. George. And you can see fair skies for the most part, a few high base showers in southern Utah, but we're staying dry. The big weather story is the high pressure that's helping us stay dry, but it's also helping our temperatures climb like crazy today and tomorrow. So indicated by the oranges and the reds, it's the high pressure that's going to be centered over Utah today going into tomorrow. But here's the good news. We have a trough of low pressure that's going to be dropping down from the Pacific Northwest as we dive into our weekend. And this isn't going to cool us down too much, but it is going to help flatten out that strong ridge of high pressure. And it's going to drop our temperature a bit as we go into the new work week. So what can we expect? I kind of want to lay this all out for you today through Saturday. Dangerously hot temperatures across the state. We're also going to be dealing with the poor air quality, mainly in northern Utah, specifically Salt Lake County and Utah County. And then in southern Utah, we're going to see increasing fire danger as we go into our weekend. So a lot of things to keep in mind. Salt Lake, our average is typically nearing 80 degrees this time of the year. You can see we're well above that, not only above our average, but above our record. The record this time of the year is 94 degrees. Not this time of the year, but today, 94. We're going to peak at 98 in Salt Lake City. So breaking a record in Salt Lake and most likely in other cities. Upper 90s along the Wasatch Front, hitting 104 in St. George. So try to limit that time outside, at least until after 4 o'clock when the sun is the strongest. 69 degrees tonight in Salt Lake City as we drop down. We'll be in the upper 60s along the Wasatch Front. 72 in St. George, a little more relief in Park City where you'll be at 58 degrees. And you can see in the next 7 days, southern Utah, things will start changing. But through Saturday, you're holding on to those triple digits. This is a prolonged period of extreme heat. And here's the thing. If this were July, this is normal for us. This is early June, and this is not normal. This is an early season heat wave. By Sunday, we're at 101, and then we'll drop to the upper 90s by Monday in northern Utah. You can see tomorrow we're hitting 100 degrees. If we do hit 100, this is going to be the earliest in the year we've ever hit 100 degrees in Salt Lake City. By Saturday, we're down to the mid 90s, and you're going to see those temperatures slowly but surely cooling. The beginning of next week, we'll be back down to the low 90s, still above average, but we're not going to be dealing with the extreme heat that we're seeing today and tomorrow. So make sure you're taking care of yourself, taking care of your elderly neighbors and kids as we go into the next couple days.